quite near. Yeah, 'cause we have the heart of a lion. Strength, the strength of a lion. And let them know that we won't stop till we get there. In a Zion, now we're gonna roll like a lion. And tread on like a lion. And let them know that we won't stop till we get there. In a Zion, hey, we're not so about the money that's in store, but about wisdom, yeah, and overstanding. And as a soldier, we'll stand firm in the Gideon, yeah, and we're ready for whatever, yeah, nowhere will be bow. If it's on, then it's on, right here and right now. Confuse not thyself, 'cause the message I bring is quite clear. So, we have a heart of a lion. Strength, the strength of a lion. And let them know that we won't stop till we get there. In a Zion, say we're gonna roll like a lion. And tread on like a lion. And let them know that we won't stop till we get there. In a Zion, now your children strengthen your education. All our vibes gonna stick and seek some meditation. Lightning fun, with them follies and them segregation. Is equality, what we search for God. Give your thanks and your praise and your day shall belong. Remember, Zion is right there. Remember, Zion is quite there. Remember, Zion is right there. Remember, hey, now we have the heart of a lion. Just strength, the strength of a lion. We won't stop nowhere till we get there. Now we're gonna roll like a lion. And tread on like a lion. And let them know that we won't stop till we get there. From my heart to your heart, praises to the King. Bright as the sun, shows the love that's within. In this game of life, we'll play till we win. And we won't stop till we get there. Zion is the home of the righteous, so clean up thy soul. Turn not thy back on the children in the cold. Show them the love and let them know Zion is right here. Now we have the heart of a lion. The strength